In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to N8n efficiently and effortlessly. This short guide will walk you through the steps to set up this integration in just 5 minutes, ensuring your sales CRM works seamlessly with your workflow automation tools. Let's start by navigating to the Sales CRM and Pipeline Management software, also known as Pipedrive. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL to reach the Pipedrive website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed with the integration. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Pipedrive homepage. This is your central hub for managing your sales pipeline. Here, you need to locate the Profile section. You'll usually find it by clicking on your account name or avatar, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with various personal settings. From your Profile menu, your next step is to tap into the capabilities of webhooks. So, go ahead and select the webhooks option from the menu. This feature is crucial for enabling automated workflows between Pipedrive and external applications like N8n. It essentially allows events in Pipedrive to trigger actions in N8n, streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. Once you've clicked on the webhooks option, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage existing webhooks or create new ones. Here, you're going to set up a new webhook. Look for the Add Webhook button and click on it. You'll be prompted to provide essential details about the webhook you want to create. This includes specifying the event you want to trigger the webhook, such as when a new deal is added or a contact is updated. Additionally, you'll need the webhook URL from N8n, which is where Pipedrive will send event data. After providing the relevant details, save your changes. Remember, it's important to test this setup to ensure everything is working as intended. This involves performing an action in Pipedrive that should trigger your newly created webhook and verifying whether N8n receives the expected data. If everything is linked correctly, you should see your automation seamlessly executing tasks without any hiccups. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Pipedrive to N8n. With this integration in place, you're now equipped to make your sales processes more efficient and automatically streamlined. Thank you for watching, and happy automating with Pipedrive and N8n.